Hey everybody, Al Williamson with LeadingLandlord.com. I want to share with you an analysis I did for a client, and this is something that my new company does. We do virtual assistants for people who are doing extended stays, or stays 30 days and longer. Anyway, I put together this analysis for her. It's basically the price and the viability of doing extended stays in Spartanburg, South Carolina. So let's take a look at this. Here it is. Here's Spartanburg, what it looks like. And my client's place is located right here where the red bullseye is right there. And right here are different hotels up here. And some of them are extended stay hotels, some of them are regular hotels. Right here, about a mile away from her property, is the Suburban, which is a mid-level, less than mid-level extended stay hotel. It rents for approximately $2,280 per month. And then we got two residence inn hotels up over the interstate there. We got one that's right by a mall that goes for about $3,880 per month, and then another one up further. I didn't bother to get that, but the presence of two residence inn hotels is pretty strong indication that there's a market for extended stays. Way off on the west, there's the Wood Springs Suites. They're in a different city, but I know they're out there, so this is kind of giving me the lay of the land. Right now, it looks like the biggest competition for my client is the Suburban. So I zeroed in on it, the area, and I looked at it, what's going on in Airbnb just as a benchmark. And I set the stay for the month of August 2021, and I see this pops up. I see my client's units right here, and then I see someone who's sharing a room, doing room rentals right there. And then there's this 3-bed, 3-bath house that's just south of my client, and it is going for $3,588, which is cheaper than what my client is offering for her 2-bed, 2-bath. So they're offering more standalone and privacy for less than she is. So that is definitely something that's going to affect her pricing. Here it is on Airbnb. You can see for a 30-day option, I'm looking for August 1st through August 31st, and to see what's available out there. And I see this. I see my client right there, and I see this 3-bed, 3-bath. Again, my client is a 2-bed, 2-bath, so it's smaller. It might look a little nicer, but it doesn't have nearly the same amount of space as a 3-bed, 3-bath unit. Okay, so then I put this stack together. This is called my pricing stack. I see that on a monthly basis that the residence inn coming in the highest at $3,880, and just below that is that 3-bed, 3-bath house is going for 3,000. Just below that is that 3-bed, 3-bath house going for $3,580, and below that is the Suburban, which is about a mile away from my client's place. So I'm suggesting to my client that she brings her prices down and splits the difference, or nearly splits the difference, between that 3-bed, 3-bath house and the Suburban extended stay hotel. So I'm recommending that she could get away and be very successful if she could price it at $2,897 per month, which is less than the profit that she wanted, but that's the angle that I thought will rent right now. And again, she can, since the market could bear it, she could make her way up to where the residence inn is charging. So depending on her reviews, and as she gets more reviews and more social media and more direct bookings, she can do that. She can get her prices up. But for where to start pricing, I recommend it comes in at $2,897. So that's it. That's kind of how I do it. I take a look at what's going on with the hotels, specifically because we're trying to compete against the extended stay hotels, and what other extended stay options there are on Airbnb and elsewhere. So I hope that helped you. If you're looking for more tips on how you can increase your income or reduce your expenses, you know what to do. Subscribe.